Okay, guys. Back to my live stream of SolidWorks. um, Today main objectives for today is I guess go over the camera mount and then talk about the VCP orders. Maybe if someone has it up, or maybe if Will has it like fully finished, we can try to work with the electronics rack. But that's probably a bonus. Okay, so the I didn't post it. I made the agenda, just didn't post the agenda. Control V. Posted is the agenda. On Slack. So I guess we'll go over it real fast. Let me see. Attendance wise, I didn't change that. Yeah, I still have. We only have Tandy 1 today. We don't have Jack. Oh wait, Jack is here, I guess. But okay, whatever. Jack, question mark. Okay, so pinned are the same things that we always do. It's the engineering report. I thought Will start to update it with his electronics rack. I was like, dang, dude, that's cool. But I'll probably work on it probably later this week and update more of it. The purpose of it, essentially, for the engineering report is to be like a thought process guide for upcoming, like the future members of this project. To go like, oh yeah, why did they design our Robosub like this? Why does it have 3 cylinders when one of them empty, 6 thrusters or whatever, 8 thrusters. So essentially, it's like a mega transition document, if you would like. So essentially, like if you've made a part at all, updating it with like your descriptions and like thought process of it, like this design is better than this design because of this, would be cool. Thank you. Also pinned is the parts sheet that Will made. Essentially has all of the dimensions and specs of every aluminum piece on the sub. It's really cool and really cool to look at. There's also like the past meeting notes. There's like our Gantt chart, which I need to update because everything is terribly behind on everything. There's the official roster of the team. So you can go like, oh, like Carlos is on the mechanical team. I didn't even know he was a part of the team. Kind of see like every member, every like what team they're on, and like see their experience and go like, wow, this Jack Kolb kid made a cube in SolidWorks. I don't really think he's that skilled. I don't think we should give him any SolidWorks tasks or whatever, and stuff like that. And then below is the task list that I made that I also need to update, but I'll do that soon. Okay, anyway. In regards to the parts, they're the same. In regards to metal tasks, they are also the same. Inner Dragons, the same. Also, printer is kind of, yeah. And all right, to the camera mount. Okay, so if you look at my live stream here, SolidWorks, I have Throb's new and cool updated camera mount open. I just made the thing transparent so you can kind of see how it fits. Okay, Rob, are you here? Rob. Okay, yeah, never mind. I guess he's not here.
Yeah, he might not be able to hear you.
Can you hear me?
I can hear you, but
can...
it's just sometimes they're not might be able to hear you or they can't speak. I don't know.
Okay, well, let's go like.
Rob said, I think on the meeting notes he say hi, I'm here.
Oh. Okay, cool.
Said
Okay.
I'll just talk on the Discord.
I'll have it open on the side so I can see the chat. It's like an actual Twitch stream. I gotta like look back and forth between the chats. So I guess okay, that's fine. I think the main thing is that we need to do is just fillet it now. Like, there's some like things like hard corners like this one will be good filleted, so for structural support, essentially. Like this one too. And this inside edge here and here. Otherwise it'll be like a stress concentrator and be prone to failure. Like the radius doesn't need to be like super high or anything, but just blade. And then tolerance this piece here, so that it's a little bit shorter by like, I want to say it's 5 thousandths, but 500ths I think is what people keep telling me. Oh. Oh wait, you can hear me. Do you see the stream at all, Rob?
I can see it.
Okay, so this corner, like essentially inside corners here. Oh, not that one. This one. And like these ones.
What do you want to do to those corners?
Fillet them. Oh, tolerancing. Oh. Make this little male piece pretty much a little bit smaller. So, because this thing is currently the same length as the hole.
What's the length it says?
This one is 0.05, while the
0.05.
This hole here is also
like
0.05.
1.3 millimeters.
So just make it a little
no, 0.31.
And Rebecca,
yeah,
from your 3D printing experience, and I guess if Tandy's here too, you can answer too. Would it be better to just would it be better to just leave it like, I guess how would you orient it while printing, and do you care about having supports?
It depends. Can you go back to the assembly?
Yeah, of course.
I would do it either two ways, depending on how many supports are generated, I guess, and like so you can have it lie on its side, but that would, with the little like round things on the end, that would generate support along the entire like side of that. If that makes sense.
So having this face be the bottom face?
Yeah, but because of the round things on
Yeah.
like that would generate support along that entire bottom side.
Yeah.
Or I would print it upright, actually. The only problem is that part in the back sticking out.
Like this?
Like that, yeah. So I think at that angle, the overhang should be fine. So it would just print straight up without support, except when it gets that flat part at the top.
Okay, 1 second. So it's gonna look like that.
Yeah, plus
Then-
support going up to the top, but I think it
This
just
one here, right?
depends. Yeah. I think it just depends how much like material is used at that point, but to be quite honest, I don't think it matters which orientation because like there's no like what's it called functional like things being blocked off, if that makes sense.
Yeah. Do you think we and it's just a quick thought here. If we move these nubs so that they're not sticking out and just kind of like cut these flanges off and just move the circles inside and then
That's what I was also thinking, but yeah.
print it back on its side like this.
Mm-hmm.
And we can angle this to make it no supports.
Well, there would still be support for that piece sticking out.
Even if we
Real
an
quick.
arc? Oh, who? Yeah, yeah.
Typically you would apply the 45-degree. Oh shit. Sorry, my mic's terrible.
No, you're good.
Typically you would try to apply the 45-degree rule in that case. So you
Yeah.
have a chamfer leading up to it, and it'll print it, and it shouldn't fall off.
That's what I was also thinking, making this kind of like a trapezoid or
Yeah, you can also do supports, but it sometimes fails.
okay. So Rob, do you have any like objections to that at all? Or does anyone have any objections to it at all?
Wait, what was this suggestion again? Sorry.
So, I'm suggesting for printing reasons, we cut off like this little the nubs on the side, and then move the holes down here somewhere.
Okay.
And then we could print it on this face here. So
Oh, that way the round things don't interfere, right?
correct.
Okay.
And
No,
then
I think
make this guy instead of a square shaped, make it like a trapezoid shaped of some sort or a triangle even, so that it won't make supports coming down from here.
yeah, that makes sense.
It well, at least on my setting, I think it should be fine, but it has to be 45 degrees or more from like the X axis you're printing against, if that makes sense.
Yeah, yeah.
For
So
the no support thing to work.
what face is it on?
Yeah, that. Or wait.
So
Yeah, like that.
something like something like that, and then sure. have that be graded on 45.
Yeah.
So like, let's make it 50. Oh boy.
Yeah, you might have to extend it out.
True.
Yeah. I mean, like, okay, let me make this not linear.
You can't move that slot, right? You have to leave that in there.
The slot.
Yeah.
We can't. Technically, we can modify it, but it's just a pain in the butt if we do.
Yeah. And I think Sarab is typing on the Robosub chat.
Yeah, I see him.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, fair. I mean, like, we could technically put the slot somewhere else, but like,
Yeah.
I don't know, something like this or something.
Yeah.
So that makes it easier to print out.
So on the 3D printer, essentially, because like, if that's the bottom, because that's like a 90-degree thing.
Oh yeah, I see
I
that.
want to build
Yeah, you
supports
can't. It
down.
doesn't have support.
Yeah. I mean, maybe not make it like that wide or something. Like, I don't know. Just a hypothetical or something. Well, I don't know. What do you think, Rob? Yeah, I mean, like, like, we don't need to go like no supports because that's kind of like the jack penny pinching like method, but like,
I mean, like, I guess there's like a little bit of material saved and stuff.
yeah. Oh, this one here.
There still would be support in the in that little like empty space there though.
Which one? Oh, this one here.
Yeah. I don't know how much of a problem that would be because it only touches like that top and bottom edge. But you might have to sand it down or something.
Let's go ahead and paint about the sand down. Would it would it because of the supports being made, would it create or would it like mess with our tolerance at all?
Maybe just a little bit. Because from what I've seen at least, like the support or most of it's pretty much removed. But there's sometimes, depending on like what the actual thing looks like, there's sometimes like stuff still there. It could be okay, but I would just like be a little cautious. I don't know if that helps.
Yeah, no way to get around it too, unless we print with that being our primary face. But that's just annoying. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I don't know. Something like this though, I think could work. Yeah, I don't know. I'll let you work on that, Rob. Scar change it. Often removing the prongs of the face plane the arm for the bottom side.
Sorry.
The side of the camera. You saying remove the whole arm here from the bottom side? Just the prong. And connect.
Just a palm.
So like this little area here. Yeah. Okay.
Wait, why does he want to remove it?
Oh, because in the picture of the camera, the wire sticks out from that side, apparently. I forgot where I posted it. But yeah, like the wire sticks out, and yeah. Where did we find it?
Actually, that is a good point. Freaking Mike.
Yeah.
Let me find that on Slack somewhere.
Okay. Yeah, if the wire does come out of that thing though, then yeah, I think that should be okay removing that. Because in the end, we only need 3 to secure it. And then I think we'll just need a way to secure this guy. Do you think? How do you want to secure the bottom camera, Sir Rob? Cool.
Is there any way that you can put like slots coming out and you kind of just fit it into?
Yeah, we can do the same thing, honestly.
Oh, can you not like nut and bolt it or?
Technically we can, but like, I don't know if we have bolts that diameter.
Ah,
It's pretty small, huh?
Yeah.
I can't even see it. That's okay.
So technically, we can use like the same like prongs idea.
Yeah, the same concept.
Yeah.
You said it won't be secure in any way if you use prongs.
Oh, okay. So the only freedom of degree of freedom it has would be like up down, right? We just have prongs.
All right, I found it.
Okay, thank you. The only degree of freedom it has, if we use the prong idea, would be the up and down, right? We could add another plate. So like if the arm has that has prongs that stick out, so they'll stick out securing like camera, and then we could have another like female plate on top of this, making it a sandwich. Female pieces also. Wait. Yeah, we can, but that's really annoying. We can, honestly. I guess it depends on how secure we want it. Technically, we can't just do a friction fit. If we want to have it like a nut and bolt fit, we could extend this, make it a sandwich, nut and bolt both of them. We could also yeah, we could just friction fit it. We can just try it.
The only problem with friction fit is that it might come out.
Come out of.
Or like, what's the problem with the prongs with like friction fit?
Friction fit isn't the most secure. Eventually, it'll fail over time, and getting it to fit is really annoying. But we could try that if you want. I mean, like this is just 3D print, so we can just technically make more, as long as Rebecca's printer is okay with it.
The camera's not that heavy, right?
No.
Yeah, I don't think it'll come out.
Yeah, we could try friction fit and then like kind of tall-ish prongs so that it'll need to travel pretty high up, for example, in order for it to come undone.
If he does the prongs, is that able to like? There's not gonna be any problems with like printing it?
Oh god dang it! Yeah, you're right. That'll make.
Because you have to print it sideways, right? Coming out sideways.
We could do like Tandy's idea earlier, like you said last meeting. We could have what was it? Holes on this thing? Oh look, we already have holes. And just like tie it down with like a wire or something.
Yeah, that works too.
What do you say, Tandy?
Yeah, a little twisty tie.
Yeah. Yeah. Something like that. I don't know. Neat. Something similar to so having like the arm have male ends.
I kind of have an idea.
Go ahead.
I'm gonna try and draw it, but like, just like, I'm not sure if this is what Sarab is thinking about, but like, you can kind of like make that like arm thing, and then you can have like a hole-ish thing where the camera sticks in. That's not a good drawing.
So essentially make rails like on the arm, so we could just drop the camera in.
Yeah, and then you could like pin it in or something.
How would we pin it in?
So that's a good idea, or a good question. Like that. Give me one moment. Or even if you okay, I'm gonna have that send first, like that.
Oh my gosh, Tandy Binder.
Yeah.
So we just like slide from the side.
Yeah.
I like that rhyme you got there.
Or even if you like made it slightly like
Right.
thicker, you could have the camera fit in like this. Or I guess this would give like a hole. I need like pin.
But okay, so that means because the camera is like a camera. Bottom view.
Yeah.
We're going to need to like cut out a section of this to fit.
Yeah.
Fit.
Hey Jack, is that only gonna be from the side of the camera or also the other side?
Jack's not here.
Oh, my bad. I'm in Ansel.
Oh.
Because like you have to remember the cables coming out.
Yeah.
Oh, you're right.
So
We're gonna have to do the other side too.
technically we could, since this space is pretty much symmetrical, with the wire not being symmetrical, we could technically rotate that so that the wires would, like, it's over here, for example. So if wires over here, if we had that slot for the camera going in, the wires won't interfere in theory. But yeah, okay, that's going. I guess. Da, da, da. I mean, is there any like objection to making like another plate here, like on the top of this surface? Shoot, right here.
Are you talking like in terms of 3D printing?
Hmm.
I mean, it should be fine. Yeah, just like adding a plate like right there or something, and then
Yeah.
like if it like lies flat and stuff, like yeah.
And then, so one idea I kind of had was that just ignore that. Is that what we could do is if we make this guy bigger than our camera. My face, cool. And then like have holes here. Like purposely have holes there. For like that's like big enough for like a screw or something that we have. And then and then make another plate that goes on top. And that one has like also like female holes that are co-centric and radial with it, or equal to it. Now we can just bolt it down.
Mm-hmm.
And slot for wire thing.
Sounds good to me.
So then camera will sit in the middle. Camera will sit in the middle here. This thing's a little bit bigger. And then another like piece that just sits on top.
So 2 pieces, right? One on the bottom, one on the top. And it's
Well, no,
sandwiches.
we just make the mechanism's by 2 pieces, but like this one is just bigger,
Oh, okay.
and then we print an external piece that will go on top of that. It's not like the most like elegant solution, but like it is a solution.
Yeah.
What do you call my idea? Oh. Yeah, actually that one works much better. That one's a lot more elegant than mine. Yeah, we just have some random rod that goes through. Because we don't. If we have a screw nut, the screw has the bolt has a bolt head. Nut has like a diameter that's bigger than the threads, so that we actually need to either extend it really far up or I don't know what the other or thing, but yeah. Um, because like the bolt has like a bolt head which is bigger in diameter than the threads, or than like the actual like rod of it, and like the nut is approximately the same diameter as the bolt head. Those like little flanges you got are gonna be really tall. Let me just delete these. Yeah. Oops, nothing. But what we can do is if we like go with your little flange idea, right? But instead of not a bolt, we just do a rod.
Just to keep it in place.
Oh wait, how am I gonna secure that rod from sliding back and forth though? Shoot. Okay,
Really long nut and bolt.
oh yeah, no, yeah, we can't do a really long bolt. I was thinking for Sarov's thing, 2 nuts, 2 bolts. And I was like, I don't think that's gonna work. If we do a really long nut bolt, that should work. But we're going to need a bolt that's 1.5 inches long. Oh wait, we have like 30. Oh wait, I don't. 35.5 inches. Oh, we should have some. Let me check the McMaster order, because I think we should actually have some bolts that are that long or longer. What is our longest bolt? 41. Yeah. Okay, yeah, that should work. So we have 15 volts. Okay. Double check with those bolts though, because I just opened up the parts list and I haven't gone through. Like, I don't remember how much we're using on the sub, but if we have any spare ones, because those come in a pack of 10. So check if we have like any ways. I can just open up the sub. Oh yeah, I need to fix the end caps. I forgot. 922908258. Wait, no, we have 50 millimeters. 922908265. Never mind, we don't have any spare ones. um, 40 millimeters. Use that one. That one is a 40 millimeter bolts. So 40 and then 2 inches. Yeah, that should work. Perfect. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so make that hole essentially for an M5 bolt. That'll go through, and then yeah, we can just nut on the other side, and it's good to go. Okay. Okay. Should be it for that. Yeah. Will, have you edited the electronics rack at all?
Other than the PCB holder, we still have to go to the solarium and try to pick up the dice, but I haven't heard anything from Jack.
Okay, cool. We'll go ping Jack.
Is he on campus or no?
He lives on campus, yeah.
Okay, so he can get the dice, or we like me to go.
He just needs to ask. Yeah. We'll ping Jack, okay?
All right.
Rebecca, are we gonna get a new tray first before printing, or do you just want to try and print again?
I can try, but I might try one more time and then
Okay.
do some more research if it doesn't work. But yeah.
Okay. Yeah, let me know if you try and print it again or not, and if it doesn't, we need to figure something out.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, well, I think that should be it for this meeting then. Let's see. I think we'll try and go over the electronics rec if you've made.
What's that?
I don't know what we're gonna do on Wednesday, but we'll try and we'll see if we. Depends if Rob gets his edits in on Wednesday, and we can talk about it again. But yeah, I think that should be it for this meeting then.
All right, guys.
Okay.
Okay.
Later.
All right. Bye.
Goodbye.